Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra official Unpack event is out, but there are a lot more than that I really want to share, as this is how the new display of Galaxy S23 Ultra will look like and how the new back cameras are shaped. And also, what color options and the pre-order gifts are also confirmed all in this video. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, the official Unpack event was revealed by Samsung's official website from Colombia, but it was mistakenly uploaded, and now it is not available on their website. But it is confirmed a lot of things. First, they show the individual camera lenses which you are going to see on all three models of Galaxy S23 series, including S23 and S23 Plus. Also, if you pay close attention, the back lenses are a bit different than what we have seen on the S22 Ultra last year, as these new lenses are made different, just like the design of Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and even exynos pointed this feature out, where all previous renders regarding the S23 design were wrong, because on S22 Ultra it was flat, but the new lens is different on S23 Ultra, and also the laser autofocus has no red dot in it. Let me know in the comments, are you guys excited about the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra, and do you like the design of cameras of Galaxy S23 Ultra? Interesting to see, Galaxy S23 Ultra new display is way better than what we have thought it will be. And here is the solution of Samsung how they will manage the flat display and curved display, as we are getting the feel of flat display with the slightly curved display. As per exynos, this is the best solution for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, as this new display will have a good feel in hand, and with tiny curve the bezel will be narrow. This is the best solution for the S23 Ultra. Also, the design is getting boxier as the sides are squared off. The display supply chain consultant Roshan is also out with the new, or I should say all color options for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and here's a surprise. According to him, the color for the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be gray, light blue, light green and red, in addition to beige, black, green and light pink. Now, some of these are only available on their website, potentially the newer ones, as these new colors are less in quantity. Strange to see there is no white color option in the S23 Ultra, meaning no white color for the S23 Ultra. Also, the new beige color will look exactly like the cream one, and this beige color will be different from the Z Fold 4 beige color. Samsung's official website in Estonia shared the pre-order details. As per them, they are giving the Buds Pro 2 with S23 lineup despite any model from a Galaxy S23 lineup. Maybe we get some Samsung credit with this, if not then this is still worth getting. As per recent price hike, if you want to see the real official price for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.